Hello, this is the final project demonstration for my particle-based dynamics strand simulator. It started off more of as a fur or hair idea, and it quickly became more of a plant vegetation application kind of deal. As you can see, there are many different things that can be set to model different behavior. For example, the box on the far left has opposite wind direction than the two on the right. This is because the hair system that patch is on, or that system has scope of, has that specific wind direction and strength set. And these ones are on their own system, essentially, which parents them underneath it. And so each system will find the relative or relevant information for each patch, such as location and custom local variables like particles per strand, root stiffness, bend stiffness, all of these possible set values per local strand, and it will actually go about rendering them and bringing them into view. So the hair patches are really more of just a container of information that dictates what each local patch should be, while the system does all of the finding and rendering and updating, and it does all of the simulation substeps, stuff like that. So this is just some of that demonstrated. So you can see there's different densities that can be set, even though everything else is the same exact. So all of the forces are acting on all of these the same. They just have varying degrees of density. The one in the middle has double the density of the one on the right, but has the same exact settings. So it gives a bit of an idea of possible use cases. Here's a camera view designed to show root stiffness. So you can see the one on the top has a higher root stiffness, an area where the root protrudes out from the object before gravity takes over. This is just a scalar value that changes depending on where the control point is on each strand. And it was pretty important to implement this because it gives more realistic vegetation growing out of the side of, say, a building, or differences between like moss and leaves and stuff like that. Bit more depth in the third degree sense, and that is some of the main functions that you can produce using this script, using the system, and it's got a wide variety of uses.